Milan from V-Rag. Had a few inquiries about how to repair a motorcycle fairing when it's cracked. As you can see, this is off a Suzuki GSXR 1000. It's cracked down the bottom here, across there, across there. So pretty simple. I'll show you in a minute. All you need is to get a soldering iron. Make sure you get a soldering iron. Don't use the one that's a point. Get one with flat blade on it like that. Heat it up, and we'll be away in a second. Okay, first thing is clamp it up so the crack's nice and tight. Just like that. Put it in a comfortable position for yourselves. Make sure you wash it. I washed it before. Bit of metho or something. Okay. So all we're doing, we're going to get the flat blade. We'll put it on. Just pop that back in position. Okay, here we go. It's just TIG welding. You should wear a mask because this shit is really toxic. They reckon it can kill you in 30 years. But I'm 50, so if I live to 80, I'm happy with that. As you can see, we just don't force it. Just put it on, let the soldering iron do its job, and then just push it back. Bit of practice. And just go past where the crack actually ends. Okay, that's that one. Now we'll just do this other one. Okay, here we go. That's all we're doing. Lay the soldering iron onto it, and it'll just melt into it, or just push it in. Okay, see how I'm pushing it in? And it's just closing that gap up. Okay, it doesn't take long. Okay, I'll just finish this one up here. Just a little bit awkward for me here at the moment. If you push it or force it, it'll burn right through, so you'll end up with a hole on the other side. You don't want that shit. Okay, just a sec. Just doing this outside at the moment. It's a beautiful winter's day in Brisbane. It's like 25 degrees. So that's it. As you can see, there it's been welded. Across there, across there. It ain't breaking. Okay, now on this side here, you're going to have where the paint's flaked off and stuff like that. But all we do for there, we can do the same thing on this side, sand it back, or you can get a plastic filler, sand it back, paint it, put a sticker over it. But that's it. Hope you like it. Thank you.